Hi everyone, my name is Monica and today we are going to cook a super easy dish called super easy satay chicken. It takes less than 10 minutes, but it is very delicious. So without further ado, let's have a look and see what kind of steps are involved in cooking this chicken. We need 2 pieces of chicken boneless legs. Pat dry the chicken pieces on both sides using a kitchen paper. Drizzle half teaspoon of pepper and half teaspoon of salt evenly on both sides. Rub it on both sides so that the pepper and the salt are spread evenly on the 2 sides of the chicken pieces. I've got 1 cup of corn flour spread evenly on a plate and put the chicken pieces on it and coat evenly on both sides of the chicken pieces. Shake off excess flour. Get ready a pan and heat it up. The pan has to be hot. Then pour in half a cup of cooking oil and wait for the oil to become hot. Swirl the oil so that the bottom of the pan is completely covered with this cooking oil. You wait for a while for the oil to heat up, and you'll know that it's heated up when there's a bit of smoke coming out from the surface of the oil. And when that happens, you will want to put back the chicken pieces onto the pan. So here you go, the pieces are down onto the pan with the skin side down to crisp up the skin. Swirl the pan so that the oil covers every part of the chicken. It takes 4 minutes on this side and it is on a medium heat. So once 4 minutes has elapsed, turn the pieces and they should look like this golden brown. Move the pieces around to ensure that even heating is on every part of the chicken. So after 4 minutes has elapsed, take out the chicken and drain the oil using pieces of kitchen paper. Clean the pan and heat it up again. Pour in 1 cup of satay sauce. You can use store-bought satay sauce or you can make your own satay sauce. But in the spirit of time saving, I have used the store-bought satay sauce. So it takes about a minute for the satay sauce to warm up, and so what you need to do in between is to give it a gentle stir so that every part of the sauce is completely warmed up. You want it to cook, yeah? So actually it's already cooked, but what you want is to heat it up. So once it is bubbling, put back the chicken pieces and make sure that the chicken pieces are completely smeared with this sauce on both sides. So we want it to be completely covered with this satay sauce. So turn it a few times. No further cooking is required because the chicken pieces are already cooked. So all we want is to make sure that they are completely covered with the sauce. So once this is done, remove the chicken pieces onto a plate, turn off the flame, and we move on to the next step. So this involves cutting the satay pieces into bite-sized pieces, like so. serve these chicken pieces with Japanese cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and Bombay onions. Or you can serve it with any side dishes or side vegetables of your choice. If you have extra gravy, drizzle the gravy onto the chicken pieces and you can enjoy, yeah?